and welcome to another demo of the Pool dashboard. This time we're going to show you how to make use of the Advanced Appearances feature of the dashboard. This is where your marketing team have complete autonomy to build your wall designs brick by brick, dragging and dropping text, images, buttons, and plenty more components without a single line of code. We start by going to the Appearances section and selecting Advanced Appearances. For this demo, we're going to recreate the Wall Street Journal's paywall, a clearly very successful benchmark as this publisher is one of the top performing publishers when it comes to converting readers into subscribers. They have a little title, subtext, offer, and CTA button. Start by naming your appearance, and then all we have to do is click on these little plus signs and select components from the list. We can drag the components to move them around, add multiple columns to put components next to each other, such as different subscription offers, as well as undo any actions, delete blocks, or duplicate them. Of course, as normal, you can modify every aspect of the component. For example, for the image, we need to upload our chosen image and can configure its position within the wall, its padding, its size, etc. For the title or any other text, we just have to add in the chosen copy and configure the font type, size, position within the wall, adding in links, underlining text, and plenty more. Anything is possible. Blank spaces can be used to better separate your blocks. We can also go even further in developing the wall designs by clicking on Advanced Properties at the top here. We can click the little eye icon to preview the wall. Doesn't look too bad so far. However, the logo is a bit big, so we can head back to the editor and add in a custom width to better fit the logo on your wall. You'll be able to make the wall fit perfectly into your house style by changing the colour of the buttons, the hover colour, the links and background, as well as adding in any additional CSS needed to take your wall design to the next level. For example, if we go back to the main building page, we can add in a custom CSS name before adding it to the CSS code into the Advanced Properties section. We now have the right font, colours, etc., perfectly fitting into our house style. Don't forget to click Update to save your work. All that's needed now is to add this design into a scenario. Head into your chosen user journey, click on the action, and simply select your chosen wall design. You can also add your appearance as the default appearance, making sure this design is the automatic design for all walls in this user journey. And that's it. Please feel free to leave us a review on Trustpilot. And of course, if you have any questions, you can contact our team via the intercom bubble in the corner of your dashboard, or email us on the address displayed on your screen. Not yet a pool client? Book a free demo via the website, and one of our audience conversion experts will show you how the dashboard can help you achieve your business goals. Thank you for joining, and stay tuned for another episode on our YouTube channel.